Okay, here we have the new DEROPE rescue kit from TRACTEL. It's a complete solution for rescuing people from height. It comes in a sealed case that can be left for up to 5 years without having to service the products inside. The case itself is made of tough PV plastic with waterproof joints. It's also got wheels on the bottom of the case to move it around nice and easily. On the front of the case, we've got a pressure valve or pressure indicator that lets you know if the case has been opened. And there's also an overpressure valve. So if the pressure inside the case gets too high, it will vent out of the front. It's got care labels on the front and on the top, and it's also got the date of manufacture, the serial number, and the relevant standards of the product on the front of the case. Okay, so here we can have a look at the contents of the DEROPE rescue kit. The first thing you'll notice is the DEROPE itself. This is the Up A model. It is a high capacity descender rated to EN341, and it can be used to evacuate multiple persons from height. It allows a single user of up to 150 kilos a descent of up to a maximum of 400 meters, or 2 persons up to a combined weight of 225 kilos for 150 meters. The rope, or the kit, is available in 3 different lengths. It's 85 metres, 120 metres and 150 metres. It comes pre-packaged and the rope is coiled around this metal reeler. The thinking behind the reeler is that in an emergency you would rig the DEROPE up to your anchor point, which needs to be able to take 1 tonne or 10 kilonewtons. You then throw the reeler off your structure, and because it's wound up it will not tangle. It will deploy in one smooth movement all the way to the ground. Makes life nice and simple. Okay, other products that we've got, or other things that are contained within the kit. We've got the instruction manual and the certificate of conformity. Copies of these are available, so you don't need to open your kit to get those. Just give us a call. We've also got a silica pack to absorb any moisture that might get within the case. And then we've got a few other little bits that we can use for a rescue procedure for rescuing a person who is suspended on a lanyard over a structure. So the first thing we've got is a little spreader plate, which you can use to get underneath the lanyard. That then allows you to install this edge protector. This is a metal 90-degree plate with a ring on the top that rolls. This allows the rope to go over the edge, protected, but it also helps it run nice and smoothly. In addition to those bits, we've got 2 EN795 anchor slings, a stock 4K rope grab, which we use to secure around the lanyard to hoist the person up, a little pulley, and some tri-lock connectors. These have got a triple action, so it's up, twist and open, and that means that even if the rope comes into contact, they're not going to come undone. The DEROPE itself is supplied with tri-lock connectors on all 3 points, so at the top point and the 2 ends of the rope. And that is everything that we've got inside our kit. Okay, another great feature of the DEROPE rescue kit is on the DEROPE Up A device, is the ability to raise a person back to the anchor point. There's 2 methods that we can use to achieve this. First of all, we can pop the handle out on the back and manually raise somebody up by turning the wheel. Okay, in addition to that, if you've got a long lift or speed is important, you can actually use a drill. You can use any drill as long as it's 300 watt with a 14 volt battery, and then it uses an 8mm socket. That connects on the back axle of the device, and you can then use that to raise somebody up. Okay, that dramatically improves the speed and it's a lot easier on the arms.